In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add due date automation in Monday.com with Slack. This integration can dramatically enhance your productivity by ensuring you and your team stay in sync, receiving timely reminders about important deadlines. So, let's dive into the process together and get you set up. To begin, you need to open your board in Monday.com. Once your board is visible on your screen, look towards the top and you will see an option labeled Integrate. Click on it to proceed with setting up your desired integration. Now you're going to want Slack, so use the search bar and type in Slack. Once Slack appears, go ahead and select it. After selecting the Slack integration, you will see an option to Connect. Clicking this will prompt you to authorize your Slack workspace, which ensures that Monday.com and Slack can communicate seamlessly. Don't worry, this is a secure process and you will be guided through granting the necessary permissions. Once authorized, your tools are ready to start working together. With Slack integrated, it's time to choose a due date automation recipe. Monday.com provides several ready-made automation recipes that you can use immediately. For instance, you can have a Slack message sent when a date arrives, or perhaps you want a notification a day before a date. You could even choose to send a Slack message when a due date passes, or when the status of a task changes to done. Think about your workflow and which notification will keep you most informed and timely in executing your tasks. When you've selected the recipe that fits your needs, you'll need to configure the automation. Begin by setting the option specific to your board. You'll need to choose your due date column, and this is crucial as it tells the system which column identifies your deadlines. Next, decide where you want the notification to be sent. It could be a Slack channel where your team convenes or directly to a person's Slack profile if it's important for individual attention. Now customize the message with dynamic fields. This is where Monday.com really shines. You can personalize the notification to include details such as the item name, the due date, board name, or who is assigned to the task. For instance, your message could look something like this. Task, design homepage. Due date, August 15th. Term, August 15th. Owner, Sarah. This level of detail ensures everyone knows exactly what is due and when. After everything is customized to your liking, the final step is to save the automation. This is straightforward and crucial. Once saved, your automation becomes active and will start sending notifications to Slack as per the configurations. And there you have it. You've successfully added due date automation in Monday.com with Slack, ensuring you and your team stay on top of deadlines with timely notifications. With this integration, you'll be better prepared to manage your projects and focus on what really matters. Thanks for following along, and happy automating!